This video will show you how to install SJ30 accessories. 1. Waterproof case. Hold the waterproof case, then hook the latch with your other hand. Slide it to the left and lift the edge to open the case. Then place the camera inside the case. Make sure the silicone seal is properly aligned. Close the latch to finish installation. 2. Portrait landscape mount. Hold the frame with one hand. Push the latch upward with another hand. Slide the camera into the frame from the back. Secure the latch to complete installation. 3. Magnetic quick release. Hold the magnetic quick release mount and press both sides of it. Align it with the camera's bottom to complete the installation. 4. Helmet mount. Insert the magnetic quick release mount into the helmet base and tighten it with screws. Remove the protective film from the bottom. Attach the helmet mount to the helmet. Connect the camera to the magnetic mount. 5. Flexible bike mount. Place the camera into the frame mount. Install the magnetic quick release mount. Use screws to connect the camera to the flexible bike mount. Wrap the strap around the bicycle handlebar. Tighten it to complete the installation. 6. Motorcycle mount. Place the camera into the frame mount. Install the magnetic quick release mount at the bottom. Use screws to connect the camera to the triple joint interface on the motorcycle mount. Align and tighten the 1/4-inch screw. After assembly, secure the handlebar clamp to the motorcycle handlebar and tighten the knob. Adjust the shooting angle to complete the installation.